Hello, K Plus users, it's Annalisa, and I wanted to show you a way of which you can leverage your K Plus dashboard to kind of have a matchmaker scenario, kind of like a bachelor-bachelorette. Will you accept this rose? But instead, it's going to be, will you accept these keys? We need to get you moved in. So let's say you have a new listing of which has come into your brokerage, or maybe it's a listing of yours, and you want to try folks within your own database to see who may match up with what's within this listing. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is grab the MLS number and copy it or write it down. Just bring it with you. And from here, we are going to click on Quick Actions, Mass Email, or Mass Text. Now, both of these contain similar methods of outgoing communication. It's just a matter of which is triggered via email or text. So what you can do is either go into mass email or mass text, and we are going to go down here to this section where it says send email about listing. So at the top you have send email to a hashtag, and then it says send email about listing. And again, to get here, you're going to click Quick Actions, Mass Email, or Mass Text. Now, all we need to do is paste our MLS number in here. And when we click on Find Leads, the system is going to compare this listing to all of your leads viewing habits online. So this is why it is imperative that we have listing alerts set up on contacts and they're coming back to your site to view properties, so we can loop that information we're gaining into tools such as this. So it's another good point to make sure you always have your listing alerts going and getting people engaged and coming back to your website. So you drop your MLS number in here and click Find Leads. I don't know what kind of an outcome I'll get because this is my test account. So yeah, it's saying you have 0 leads that match. But if you do have leads that match this interest, it's going to say you can email this many leads to about this address. And then you can just click here. K Plus will open up your Gmail account because, of course, K Plus is Google-centric, uses Gmail. And it's actually going to send the email to the contact or send it to you, the agent, and then it's going to blind copy all of the people of which you're sending the information to. So no one's going to know who got what. So it'll send it to you, the agent, blind copy all the recipients, and copy it into their notes that you sent it. And then, of course, once you're in here, if you wanted to, make this a little prettier, you could hyperlink it. You could take this link. Actually, let's see, we can take in the address, and you can say, click here to view, 25 Gateway number 25. And then you can take your link, cut the link, highlight the sentence or words of which you want people to click for the action. Go down to the bottom of your Gmail, click this little insert link, drop it on in, okay. And now this is a clickable action within that K Plus outbound email. Now, if we're looking at this via the quick actions, let me grab my MLS number again, and we're going to mass text. So we've gone from mass email to mass text. It's the same idea. You just drop your MLS number in here, click Find Leads, and it will find everyone within the system who has that a phone number for texting available on it that matches these parameters. And then you can go in here and edit this if you want to, and click Send Text right here. So I don't have any leads that match, but you get the idea. You can create that message, have that link is auto-populated to lead people directly to your site to view the information. So it's about you all the time, and apparently this one has gone off the market here, but you get the idea. You can go in and go into Quick Actions, Mass Email, Mass Text, drop down to the Send Text or Send Email About Listing, drop the MLS number into that section, see what pops up, and contact some folks. I hope you have a great day.